Now, faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. Hebrews chapter 11 verses 1. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so very much for coming back. We are on a live soup journey today and we will be making assorted dried fish light soup. Fam, this is more than just a soup. It is just so comforting and it hits on every corner of your body. It's a real healer. So please be sure to stay tuned while we make this together. It's absolutely delicious. Go through our ingredients one after the other. Here we have our assorted dried and smoked fishes. Here are some dried herrings. This is amane in Chi, and this is Ankwawuna. It's a special type of the herring, but I don't really know the English name for it. I have some dried catfish as well and smoked mackerel as well. Of course, this is optional, but I also love to spice it with some cured, beef and some pig feet and some salted tilapia as well. Prekese or Aidan fruits, of course. Our vegetables, we have some tomatoes, onions, peppers, garden eggs, 3 cloves of garlic, carrots, and a tablespoon of tomato paste. That's all you need. This soup does not need any form of seasoning, even ginger. You do not have to add it because every single protein that we're using has gone through a process. Okay, so the little seasoning you use, the better. All right, I'm going to cut off my onions and now go ahead and boil all the vegetables. The carrot here is also going to serve as seasoning and also a thickener. I also do have some turkey berries that also serve as thickener as well, and it's also very, very healthy to have in your soup. Of course, I have my 2 garden eggs representing. I'm going to boil it for about 5 to 6 minutes and we should be done with it. It should not boil too much. All right, so right now I'm going to go ahead and steam my Tolo beefy and my prekese. All right, I do have recipes of each one of these and I'm going to link it down below in the description box, and I'm going to also link it here. As said in the beginning of the video, you do not need too much spices for this soup. All you need is your chopped onions and add water. All these have little bit of salt in them, so you just want to be careful not to add any salt at this stage. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and steam this for about 10 minutes and allow that flavors to come up. It's going to really make this soup extra delicious. And now all that I'm doing is going ahead to clean the herrings and the anchor, all the smoked fish that is left. I'm going to make sure that I clean them very well, especially because these were not homemade. These were straight from Ghana, and you don't get to clean the fish the way you want when you buy it from the outside. So it's very important, with the exception of the smoked mackerel. Everything else were from Ghana. A big thank you to Home and Away Organic Food. They are on Instagram. If you need any food supplies from Ghana, please do contact them. They ship worldwide, okay, at a very affordable price, and their products are very great. Go ahead and link their Instagram handle down below in the description box. Okay, as you can see, the catfish has been also cleaned very well. Anytime that you buy a catfish that is not homemade with that stick in it, please be sure to pour a little bit of lukewarm water, just so that it will be very easy for you to take out the stick. All right, so once that is done, I'll go ahead and check on my base of the soup, and it smells super amazing. So good. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomato paste and give it a good stir. So I'm going to add a little bit of water, and I'm using the water that I use to boil the vegetables. I do not want to throw that away. It has lots of nutrients in there. Once done, I'll go ahead and add the fish that takes a little bit longer for it to softening up. In this case is the Ankwawuna. It is a very tough fish and I love it because you can use just one to finish your entire fufu. You take one and it's very chewy, very chewy. I really love it. Just allow it to boil for about 10 minutes more, just so that tomato paste, cook a little bit more than the rest of the vegetables that I will be adding now. Okay, so once done, I'll then go ahead and add all the remaining fish here are very delicate, so you just want to make sure that you add it at the very last 10 minutes of the soup. Okay, so I'm going to add my blended vegetables. I added the garlic in there while blending it up. I'll just add everything here, and right now all that I would do is to allow the soup to boil for 10 minutes, not more. Okay, you boil this down more than 10 minutes, chances are your fishes are going to end up breaking, which I don't really like to see in my soup, and you also stand a chance of losing all the nutrients that this soup has to offer. All right, just go ahead and garnish it with a bit of garden eggs, peppers, maybe okra if you prefer to have your okra in the soup. Okay, we are done, and you can see some fufu is going on here. Of course I made this super soft and so great plantain fufu to go with this soup. Oh boy, it was so good and such a delight to have. I really hope you enjoyed this process, fam. I am so thankful that you're watching right to the end. Please make sure that you give me a thumbs up, okay, because your girl is trying. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, it's really important. It helps the channel really grow. All right, thank you so very much, family, for watching. I really truly appreciate you all for the love and the support. We are done now, so what is left than to just serve our fufu and enjoy. To have a piece of everything that went down in this soup. Of course, why not? It really went down so well. So sad I have to end the video now, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please, oh look at that, come on board, subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.